In front of me is OnePlus 12R, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications. Firstly, open Play Store and click on the search bar. Then type in DevCheck and download this free app from Flare2 developer, DevCheck Device and System Info. When your app is ready, open it, and then thanks to it, learn all the information about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!